Stay tuned.
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? I'm parking in LA, so I'ma send an Uber to your place. It's my secret safe, safe with just you and me. We can't leave a trace. This is my favorite mistake. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the light? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still coming over. Even when you're gone, the feeling just grows stronger. She'll leave it alone, but you're still getting closer. We both.
Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. You see my face for the first time or you see my video for the first time. Hi, my name is Udeh, Faves, Chinwendu, and here on my channel I create hairstyle videos, natural hair care videos, DIYs and lifestyle videos, just like this one you're watching today. And if you're already part of this wonderful family, if you're already a fave, how are you doing? Keduki Mary, hope you're fine. Welcome to my video, welcome to my lifestyle video today. I'm about to film unboxing video, review video for my YouTube channel. I got a new tripod. I used to see it in another video. Maybe I've uploaded it by the time you're watching this video, I don't know, but go check it out if I've uploaded it. Go and watch it. I've been using this lip gloss. I don't know if you can see the name. Is it lip gloss? Lip balm, because my lips is always breaking out, so I use it. I want to create complete a hair content. I started like 3 days ago. Make a video I started like 3 days ago, like application. I want to do the application video on my hair, then I want to film some other videos as well. I just wanted to come on here and talk to you guys about something that I've been thinking, something that I've been trying to work on. I think I once talked about it on my Facebook page. My Facebook, is that what they call it? The Facebook channel. Facebook page. So this idea of someone being a morning, afternoon or night person, someone being active in the morning or in the afternoon or in the night, yeah. And me I am always active in the night. I am very, very active. Not really night, like evening person. I'm not a night person. I'll sleep in the night. I'll sleep all through the night, but I'm always active, very, very active in the evening. Yeah, it's almost like I procrastinate things I'm supposed to do. I keep saying I'll do it until the late hours, or let me say I'm always in a rush to do things because I leave them when I am supposed to do them. I'm not a morning person. I've been trying so much to see if there's a way I can like push that away. Yeah, I mean, just stop thinking that someone can be a morning person, afternoon person or a night person, because I feel like you wake up in the morning, why not just do things you're supposed to do in the morning? If I'm supposed to film this video in the morning, let me film it in the morning. And if I'm supposed to film it in the afternoon, then so be it. And if it is supposed to be in the evening, or I'm supposed to edit in the evening, why not just do it? Why waiting for a particular time? And to be frank, I really love morning people, like morning person, people that are active in the morning, because I just feel like they are the ideal people. They just wake up, get things done, and yeah, start being active in the morning, because morning is actually the time the day properly starts. So why not just get things done in the morning? So I've been thinking that I can be able to wire myself, I can be able to wire my body system, not to think that we can actually wait, or we can actually keep procrastinating and telling myself that yes, we are evening people till evening. No, so I want to stop that. I've been working on that, And these days I just try, even if it's so hard, I just try to start my day in the morning properly. Yeah, so tell me in the comment section, are you a morning person, are you an afternoon person, are you an evening person, and what do you think about my idea of being an evening person? Because I feel like evening people, they're just lazy. Yeah, they just procrastinate and they're just lazy, and I don't want to belong there not any longer. I'm just going to start on my day today. I have to film videos quickly before they take the lights, then I'll go ahead to wash clothes, right? Yeah, wash clothes, then do other things. I need to edit a video as well. Whew. I just have a lot on my list, and I'm going to try to accomplish the ones I can accomplish, and the rest I'll leave it. So I'll catch up with you guys much more later. Okay, stay tuned.
No, it's wrong. Can't keep this for long. All that's going on. Put it in a song. Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? I'm getting impatient. Oh, look at what you do to me. Our secret's safe, so you're my favorite mistake. That's why we gotta keep it on the low. Got a hunger sheep, don't need to know what's going on. It won't be on for long. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the light? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you find the light? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still coming over, even when you're gone. The feeling just goes strong. You leave it alone, but you're still getting close. So we both know it's wrong.
Tell me why you're crying, now can it be, girl? When you gave me something I don't really feel, but you know that already. When I found you on the ground, you were down.
Hey guys, so I'm back from the market. Yeah, I went to buy some foodstuffs, and from what you saw me buying, you already know that we're making soup. This is my goat meat. Oh, guys, my husband has taught me how to eat soup so much. The extent that if I don't eat it in a week, I'm going to feel like something is wrong, or something is seriously wrong with my life. So I want to make soup, achi soup, for the first time. I've not made that soup before. I don't like achi. I don't even know, but yeah, I'm just going to make it because I've had achi here in this house. You guys see the reason why they told you to leave your comfort zone. You see this thing, I bought this thing 700 naira, and this woman that I bought it from, I always buy native ingredients for Igbo soups. I don't know how to explain it. And today I went to buy oha, and this woman just decided to sell that thing to me at 700 naira, at the rate of 700 naira. I came out, I don't know, I don't always do it, but I just decided to do it today. I checked the price of that somewhere else and it was cheaper. I could just buy that at the rate of, let's say, 400 or 500. But it's well, no problem. So let's cook our soup. I'm not a chef, oh. In case you're expecting me to cut onions with style, please, I'm just cooking for my family.
We don't cast, last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Shayo. To go bow for the result, nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default and without any doubt. I'm a me happy adult, I no go feed the cup, I no go feed the guys out. I'm a mindless you the talk, I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, I know holy and I know that pose like the Baba